Welcome to the StatTree video module for Analysis of Variance. To test whether there are differences between three or more groups on some continuous variable, the one-way ANOVA would be appropriate. You will need one categorical variable and one continuous variable in order to run this test. In looking at the Preferred Entertainment Viewing Survey, demographic question B is categorical with more than two nominal values. Any one of the scale questions 3 through 7 would be appropriate for the continuous variable for our demonstration. For this demonstration, we will use question 5. Once you have uploaded or imported the dataset into SAS Studio, you will need to create a temporary reference to that dataset in the libraries. A link to a video demonstration of that procedure is in StatTree Help. With the PEVS dataset open in SAS, you would choose race as the independent variable and history as the dependent variable. To run the one-way ANOVA for differences, create a new SAS program window by pressing the Create icon under Server Files and Folders and selecting SAS Program F4. In the code box, type in the following code. This code can be copied from the new browser window when you press the script button on the sending page from the StatTree module. Select the code. Now press the Run icon. SAS will generate an output in a results window. As with all statistical tests, the first result to look for is the significance figure associated with the test score. If the significance figure meets your preset criterion, you will need to report your test results in your research paper. You will find that significance figure here. In this test, we have met our significance criterion. Here are your test results. You would report these figures as well as the effect size figures under partial eta squared for those significant findings. If the significance figure does not meet the criterion, test results do not need to be reported in your research paper. However, you will need to report that the test failed to find a significant difference or relationship in the data. To see what this output looks like, along with a reporting example, press the Output button on the sending page from the StatTree module.